Hello everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Think Tank. Today we are going to start the lab 53, that is image steganography by using the quick stego. First let me tell you what is the steganography. This is a process, right, to hide the file or text, we can say. Like the cryptography, I think you know that. Cryptography is the basic concept when we are just encrypt the data to give the security to that particular data. So we can use some encryption techniques for that, like SHA, MD5, RSA, some algorithm and process we have, right? This is for encryption, you can say, right? We are just encrypted data by using some key of a particular technique, and then we are just using the same key, public or private, to decrypt the data of the same technique we have used for encryption. But in the technique of steganography, it's very simple and common that we are trying to hide the data. What does it mean, hide? Right. Basic thing is, as you have some data, right? You have written something on a paper, and you have used some ink like that this is not visible, but when you are using the sunlight, that particular text is visible for you. This is the old time steganography you have seen in movies and all, right? But there's a process of steganography, and we are talking about the technical things. We are trying to hide some data by using some pic, by using some photos, right? So in this lab I'm going to show you how to use that. So we will use the tool quick stego for that, right? So quick stego hide the text in a picture, so that only other user of the quick stego can retrieve and read the hidden secret message. See, in case I just want to send you something, right? So I'm using quick stego. I have some text I want to forward you, but we are using some security manner, right? We are thinking about, and I have choose a pic, right? In that particular pic I have hide some data, right? And I've sent you that pic. So same pic, in case you're using the quick stego, then only it will be possible for you to get that particular hidden data, right? Like pornography sites are filled with the images. They sometimes they change multiple times each day, require authentication in some cases to access their battery of the content. And by using the steganography technique would allow an agent to retrieve the message from their home base and send the back updates on the gears of the porn trending. Thumbnails could be scanned to find out if there are any new message for that day. Once decrypted, these messages would point to link on the same site with the remaining information encrypted, right? As I've told you, they have hidden the data. So to be an expert, you must understand how to hide the text inside the image, and in this lab we are going to show you all these things, as I've told you, by using the quick stego. So the first thing, we'll use Google to download the quick stego. You can see here the quick stego 1.2 download free. The quickcrypto.com, the free steganography software. So you can see here quick stego 1.2. You can access the other specifications. The official site. The free steganography software quick stego. What's that? Steganography is a science to writing a hidden message in such a way that no one part from the sender and intended recipient even realize that there is a hidden message in that particular pic. You can see an example of the image steganography. This is a particular image in which we have some data, a perfectly innocent sorry a perfectly innocuous picture, nothing special about it. Well, if you download the QuickStago and copy the above image in the system, you will see that there is a lot of secret tasks hidden in the image. Try and see. We have, this is like the image, copy, clear, paste. You will get the data in this box, like you can see here. So load the image from the QuickStago, and secret text that was hidden in the photograph is revealed in this particular, as you can see here. So you can download, right? The system requirements. What does not to do, what to do, why it's free. Quite honestly, the QuickStago is provided free of charge, as we hope you will like the software and wish at the same point of upgrade the QuickStago or other cyber scene products. Okay, how does it work? Sorry. Right, so our work is to download first, as I have downloaded for you again all the time, so we can check it out. Here we go. We can install. Yes. In the next, I accept the agreement. Obviously next, and then install finally. Finish. Here you can see we got it. So we are going to launch this. Sorry. So this is, you can see here, the same function, the same file we have. So we will click on open images. So open image, okay. Then we'll find the image we have in the same folder, this one. So it's yellow Ferrari. It's nice, okay. So, and then the particular data, the text file. The image does not have a QuickStago secret text message, you can see here. So we'll open the text file. This is the text file. That was a mistake, right? It's not Ferrari, it's Lamborghini. Okay, sorry. So it's Lamborghini, it's a text file. You can see here the grew rapidly during the first decade and all. This is the text we have in the particular image, right? You can see here the detail. And in the last, I've shown you, it was showing there is nothing like in text, but when we have clicked on open text, we got that particular text. In case you want to hide the text message is not. First save the image, desktop, save. You can see here, in case somebody is clicking, you can see only the image, but for the QuickStago user, you can get the data as you got in the text file. We can see here. In case you want to get the data, first to image, and here we go. We can save the text file. In case you want to save this text, whatever our center is hidden for us, we can save the text file. As you can see, here we go. Right? In case you want to upgrade, you want to save, you want to open, you can save the image also. So the particular hidden text inside the image will display it as I have shown you this one, right? In the real time, basically an attacker might scan for the images that contain the hidden information. That's why to use signography tool to obtain the information hidden in them. So you can use this one, but the important part is that both sender and the recipient, right, should use the quick staggo, just the same version, because in case the image format in that particular tool is not same, that simply it's not possible for you to check or to get the hidden data, right? In case you want to change this, you can change, you can write something, you can do something like this is for social 27 confidential data and only, right? In case you are just writing something, then we can save again this image on desktop. You can replace, yeah, and then open image. First let me clear the data. It's clear. Then we are trying to open that particular images. We have update with our data. So I want to change that image. New one. As you got this one. Now you can open it's very simple and clear that I've shown you. I have told you before, in case both sender and recipient is using the same thing. This is the image and the data is fixed for that particular software. You are not able to change that, right? In case you want to send the particular data they have shown, then you can use that. That's very simple. If you want to change that, you have to create an image format for you. You are not supposed to use the same image because they have the fixed data format with this particular image, right? So you have to choose your image, then you can give your data, then you can do each and everything. But for this image, the data is fixed. As I've told you, so this is the database or the image database testing for this software. So the particular image format, we have the fixed data. In case you want to use your own data, you have to pick a different picture, not from the image. Then you will go forward with this particular tool. This particular tool will bind that data with that particular image. Then you will forward to your friend, right? So here we have finished the lab 53 image signography by using quick staggo. Thank you.